Sir, online team, are you getting my screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So coming to our regular resource group. Starting the studio first. Meanwhile, I will open data lake. This one, right? Our regular input folder. So Adesh, look at here, man. Okay. So I'm going to switch on the data flow debug mode as initial step. All of you, whenever you have time, please check for debug settings. Please explore what are all the different options. Just explore it. Pardon? Recording is going on, man. I think going on. Yes, going. Okay. Today in the data flows, please check for some transformations, especially whenever you are dealing with multiple data sets. These are the regular used transformations. Okay, mostly in case of industry, you will not working with single file rarely. Okay, because under schema, multiple tables will be there. Again, every table is linked with other table. Suppose employee is related with department, department is related with some manager. Okay, like that. So to work with all multiple files, multiple sources, these are the regular user transformations like join, conditional split, exists, union, lookup. Till now, what I have seen is union with different scenarios and joins with different scenarios you have seen. Okay. See, applying syntax and designing flow, that is not important, sir. So for a particular task, when we are using a particular type of join, that clarity, you should get it. Rather concentrating on syntaxes and everything, concentrate on when to use what. Okay. So today, the conditional split, already in the join, in last class, you have seen about cross, especially in the last task. Okay, 1, 2, 3 tasks about aggregations, grouping aggregations. And the fourth task is about cross join. Okay. Now today, cross join and conditional split, both combination, I will mix, I will bring a scenario accordingly. Okay. So basically normal conditional first, let's go with the normal as a session 1, how to apply a normal conditional split. Okay, with the alone. After that, we will mix conditional split with the cross. Then you will understand what exactly the scenario. First, I'm going for a normal conditional split. Already, conditional split is available in two cases. In the case of activity, you have if condition activity. Remember? Okay. We did one example. Your folder has 100 files, all ADF files into one directory, and all other than ADF files into other different target. But you have moved files, not the data. You have moved file, but not data within a file. Understood? So that operation we have done. Again, projector switch off. Maybe lose connection. 1 minute, sir. Okay. So this is the activity, but in the transformations, the same functionality, but for on data. But for on data, that is conditional split. So this is in data flows, that to the mapping data flows. So this is in activity, core activities. All these things are called core activities. Of course, data flow is also an activity. Within the data flow, you are configuring mapping data flow. Okay. Suppose you have a file. The file is some sales. All transactions happen in Hyderabad in one file or one table. All transactions happen in Delhi. That is in another file. File 1, file 2. I want to split the data, not the files. Understood? I want to split the data, not the files. So for this, the conditional split we are going to use. So first, as part of this today's session, first session, beginning session, just how conditional split work, we will see. Let's take our regular file only. This file I am taking. You have many number of rows, maybe 10 or 12 rows are here. I want to split based on the department numbers. All department numbers 11 into one file, 12 into other file, 13 into other file. But dynamically, how many unique departments are there? That many number of splits you cannot do. Statically, you have to hard code them. All 11s into one file, 12s into one file, remaining into other different file. Okay. On that way, you can conditionally you can split the data, or else like all males into one file, all females into one file. Based on some given condition, I want to split. So how to perform that activity? Very simple in the data flows. First, I'm going to configure this source. The source related data set already we have. Data flow name. Conditional split. DF. DS underscore EMP 100 already we have. Okay. So before that, I'm going to check the preview whether the header is there in this data set or not. I'm doing just preview. Yeah, header is applied ID, name, salary, gender, department number. Okay. Suppose based on the salary, I want to split in this example. Based on salary. But whenever you want to touch based on salary, there are some null values are there. You have to clean them. You know how to clean them. As a first initial transformation, I am applying cleaning. What is this? There is close button. I'm not able to see the close button. That is on the top. Yeah. Okay. Data is ready. Come back to your flow. Source is configured. For this derived column transformation, going to update the salary and expression I am giving like if now. If null of salary, comma, 0 I am say. So this is our expression. Expression invalid. One minute. Perfect. But you are reading data from file, right? You're reading data from file. Salary was quoted as a string. So try to change the data type now. I just cancel it. Go to the data source. Under projection, make this salary as integer. Because in the expression, if in the double quotes, if you return 0, it won't give any error. But you just said 0. 0 means number. To return the number, value, the data type should be number. That means numeric. So that was our previous mistake. Come to this. Now no error. Okay. Okay. Just apply the preview. Already debug mode started. Okay. Observe previously someone nulls, some salaries nulls, now they become zeros. Whether to replace with 0 or -1, already told you scenario. Okay. Now you are going to apply the conditional split for the previous. The output of the derived column, for the output of derived column, I am attaching conditional split. So if it is conditional split, come to this one. Output stream, conditional split, incoming stream derived column number 1. Split on first matching and all matching conditions. Split on first matching and all matching conditions. There are two options. Observe this. First matching and all matching with condition. For example, you have given a condition. Your task is like greater than 50,000 into sync 1. Greater than 75,000 into sync 2. Suppose option selected is first matching. Option selected first matching. Your salary 55,000. What about condition? First condition, true or false? Array man, 55,000 greater than 50,000. True or false? True. True. That is why the record will be moved to sync 1. But second condition also, second condition, false. Okay, definitely it will not move. I am changing the case. 78,000 is your salary. What about first condition? What about first condition? True or not? You tell me that, man. True. Because of true, the record blindly will move to sync 1. Even though second record is the second condition also true, it won't move to sync 2. Because you said only first matching. Understand? Suppose you have selected the option all matching. What about for status of a result of first condition? True. Record will be moved to first sync. Second condition, again true. That record also. That means your record now available in 2 places. My question meaning is, if student is intelligent based on the grades, move him into eligible exams. Exam 1 required grade is 75. Exam 2 eligibility is 90. Exam 3 eligibility is 95. You got score of 76. Now you are eligible for which exam? Exam 1 only. But Adesh got 98. That means his profile will be moved to exam 1 database, exam 2 database, exam 3 database. Understood? So this will happen when you select all matches. Suppose there is a rule. This is a graduation. Graduation 1, graduation 2, and graduation 3. Got it? Graduation 3. But a university rule is a single student has to perform only one graduation at a time. Now Adesh will be moved to graduation number 1. And he will be missing. Suppose if the option selected, first row match. That means first match. He will move to graduation 1. Got it? Suppose top score you want to give first priority, give the condition, graduation 3 condition in the beginning. Graduation 2 in second as a second condition. That means the top score condition you are giving first. Next stop in the second. Like that you are giving. Now Adesh will be moved to what? Graduation 3. He will not be moved to remaining. Even though for remaining conditions that is true. On that way, depends on your scenario, you have to select a proper option. Whether this record to be available in multiple syncs or only available in one sync, depends on that you have to select. Online team, are you clear about this one? About these two options? First matching condition, all matching conditions. Got it? In this, observe here. The split condition it is saying. And what is the stream name? And what is the condition you want to apply? It is asking. The split condition stream names I am giving as stream 1 and stream 2. Two things you have configured. Still, if you want to add any additional condition, plus is there. All condition matchings. Here, whatever the condition I am giving, the condition matchings will be into one sync. The condition false records will be into other sync. Got it? So stream 1, stream 2, according to that, here names have been changed. Stream 1, stream 2. Got it? The record, all bad records I want to keep into one file. That means which have nulls in the salary. Which have nulls in the salary, I am treating as bad records. I want to move into one. Condition can be anything, single condition, multiple condition, anything. You know how to apply the conditions. I'm coming to the expression builder. Sorry. Salary equals to 0. Already we converted that salary into 0. Suppose already we have cleaned it. So 0 is in the place of salary, 0 means the salary missed. For example, if you did not clean that, then condition I if null, is null of salary. And that way condition can be anything. Okay, some condition I am giving as salary equal to 0. That is into stream 1 and stream 2. Okay. So here, what records will be there? Just only I'm going to check for stream 1. Just click the preview. Refresh. It's running. Please check it. Only salary zeros. Do the same thing for here, second one. Just refresh it. What is this?
Select from drop downs are here. Stream 1 drop down under the data preview.
Stream.
Under data preview only, sir. Could you just drag this up and in the output stream you can see drop down.
Yeah, here it is there. Yes. It is giving you both stream 1 and stream 2. So in the other stream, which are not zeros, on that way you can split it. Bad records into one point, and again these bad records will be sent to other team. They will do research and they will replace the salary values. Okay. Okay. Now there are two streams ready. Now you can write output into the sinks. How to write into sink, you know. Got it. Just I am not showing. Just add a sink and give the data set. That will be written into output file. Got it. Come back to the streams again. Go to the settings, conditional speed settings. A stream 1, some condition is there. And in the stream, one more condition I want to add. First, all null records you are keeping into stream 1. Okay. Let's say stream 2, this is stream 3. I'm just doing modification. Multiple splits I want to do. Salary greater than 1 lakh. Salary greater than 1 lakh. That is into other output. That means less than, greater than or equals to, greater than or equals to 1 lakh into 1.5. All salary zeros into 1.5. Got it. Which are less than 1 lakh, that is into third file. But in the third file, zero should not be there. That's why what is the option to be selected? First matching condition. For example, my salary is 0. First condition is true. Even though 0 is less than 1 lakh, I will not come to the third one. Got it? On that way, multiple splits at a time you can do. There is no limit for number of splitting conditions. Now you just check it. Just preview this. Stream 1 contains should only zeros. Only zeros. Let's check in the stream 2. Only 1 lakh above salaries. Okay. All are greater or equals to 1 lakh. And the third stream, not 0, but less than 1 lakh. Check it. There are no zeros, because 0 already moved to first split, first stream. In this way, no limit for number of conditions, number of splits also. So this is what our beginning prerequisite process for our scenario. In our next session, we will see that scenario. I will stop it.